What's up guys, Sean here from Srkcycles, and we just got a package from Revzilla. If you guys looking to buy cool gear, definitely check them out. We have a link below. Click on the link below about gear. That's either Revzilla or Cycle Gear. They're owned by the same company. Revzilla has more parts. This is for the Dyna build. I don't know what this is. Handlebar risers. Handlebar risers for the Dyna build. And guys, if no one ever told you, we're giving away a Dyna 99 Dyna Super Glide. What's this? Bitwell recoil 1-inch grips. Ooh, I like that. Good feeling. That's gonna look nice on the Dyna. And then, last but not least, but most important, handlebar sock. If you don't have a handlebar sock to keep your handlebar all nice and, no, it's not a sock, it's just a package. I kind of hate cutting it, it's kind of cool. Ooh. Alright, new bars. These are gonna replace the old buckhorn bars on the Dyna. Actually, let's go see the bike. Let's go check the bike out. And we got some more pieces coming in. We got the pipes coming in, and maybe an intake. So we're doing it. We're gonna mod this bike up, make it look sick. I'll show it to you. Okay, look, we got the bars.
Oh dang, already?
Yeah, we got the bars, the grips, and the risers.
Dang, we just ordered those.
What else we expecting? The exhaust?
Yeah. Exhaust, bars, risers, grips. Yeah, that sounds like it.
So here's the giveaway bike. 88 cubic inch, 1999 Harley Davidson Super Glide. We're replacing these handlebars. The grips, they're horrible. Guys, let us know. We're gonna get new pipes for it. Let us know what else you guys think we should do with this bike. It's not ours, it's yours. We're giving it away. For you guys to get in the giveaway, subscribe to Srkcycles, subscribe to Bikes and Beards, and join the mailing list. Look in the link below, and you can see we're probably gonna give it away, I don't know, in the summertime. Peak riding season. We're gonna keep on doing videos of us modding this thing up, showing you how we're gonna do it. It's gonna be super simple, super easy, and we'll see you guys later. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe.